Good morning, my YouTuber friends from all over the world. Eventually, I received the parts for the Briggs & Stratton, and you won't believe me, this one is fine. I believe this one as well, but I received it in a packet where this was totally folded over. You can see flat over, and this one was flat over that side. And this part was flat over this side, flat as a pancake. So I pressed it between in a book, and hopefully it is not damaged, but I'm really not happy about that. And the other thing is, let me just open here quickly, and when I ordered it, the primer bulb, they ask is there the one with a hole or the one without a hole, and I said it is the one without a hole, as you can see here, and so they sent me a one with a hole. So I believe it don't matter, but we will see. I will in any case put it on. So let us start. I want to take this out first and insert the new one. So let us try that. But I will just make sure that passage is open. I will maybe do it when this is removed, because that passage must be open, otherwise it will not, in any case, not pump. Okay guys, I managed to get it moved. You can see the red come out there, and it's kind of not an easy job. What I'm trying to do is to press it here and push it forward. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, so I'm going to continue, bring you back when it's out. Okay guys, I think this was easier than I thought it would be. I think I can now take the whole thing out. And the other one must work because I damaged this one, I think. Okay, so the new one must go in like that, and I must be very careful not to damage that, and it must be going in the right way like that. But before I do that, I want to clean that passages and make sure everything is fine and clean. Okay guys, my plan to get, I just put it in, everything seems to be open and fine. So my plan is to get this back, is to take a socket and put it over. It will go inside that part, and then just make sure it is, it seems if I have it, you can see I've got it a little bit skew, so I'd rather take it out again and align it better. Like that. And then we can push it in further with this. But it must click in, so I think I will give it a smack with a hammer. I'll bring it back. Okay guys, I think it's successful in. So let's continue with the rest. And I think I will start with the tank, with that diaphragm one. Okay guys, it is lucky it is the correct diaphragm and this gasket, but you can see what is the dilemma now there. So I need to be very careful. Okay, let me get my orientation correct. Okay guys, I've got it in place and I'm going to screw it now together and then I'll bring you back. Okay my friends, this is done and I hope everything works now. So I will put it quickly back on the machine and then we can try and see if it will start for us. Okay guys, the carburetor is on and the fuel is on, connected. Everything is done. I did not prime it yet with fuel because there's fuel in the tank. So I think we must take it out, give it a prime, and it's cold, it does not run whatsoever, and see if it will start for us with the primer and the new gaskets. I really hope so. Okay my friends, I put you here in my workshop for the wind, and of course the air cleaner is not on yet and the top cover, but we want to see if it runs first. Right. Okay, let's prime it. Seems if it prime. Let me quickly take a plug out first, guys. Okay guys, the plug looked very bad. Let me clean it first. Okay guys, it will still not start, and I took a little bit of carb cleaner and then it start, but it will not stay run. So there must be something wrong. There's more faults guys, and the carb is clean, so I don't know what is wrong now. Let me give it a thought. Okay guys, I had a quick discussion, not a discussion, somebody called me, so I'm back at this, and let me check what's going on. For some reason it doesn't get fuel, and there's no adjustment to this carburetor, so let me check it out. Okay guys, I've got a carb off again, and now I'm going to inspect it thoroughly for any problems. Maybe the what do you call that? I thought maybe that is loose, the butterfly. But let me check it out and I'll bring you back when I see something interesting. Okay guys, I take my air compressor and I blow out all passengers, and before that with carburetor cleaner through all passages, and it seems if this one was a little bit blocked. Okay, I'm going to put it back together and we try it again. Okay, one thing I want to mention, this spacer here and the O-ring sit on the engine side and it was not inserted in here. Maybe that was the problem, that it get air. So let's try again. The carburetor is now clean. Okay guys, I've got full confidence, so let's try. That look like business, friends. I think I must put the top cover back, and then we will start it once again, and I think it's done now. Okay guys, let's start it. It is kind of warm, so I'm not gonna pump it or start it with the full start. I've cut a little bit. Okay guys, according to the owner, that is a workhorse for many years. So that's a job well done, and see you on an interesting project tomorrow. Thank you my friends, bye bye.